I'd like to talk about this specific range of sensors that we have that can combine both the wide DALI benefits with the Bluetooth mesh options. And how it works effectively is that it can be connected to a number of DALI luminaires, standard DALI luminaires. It has its own DALI power supply, and it can at the same time control up to 40 different luminaires. Now the good thing with this is that you can use an existing DALI wide infrastructure and at the same time have the benefits of the Bluetooth mesh that the sensor will form with other Koolmesh devices. So you can combine the benefits of both worlds really. Now apart from that, another sensor that we would like to show is this model, which has a quite wide detection range. So this can detect a diameter up to 20 meters, as you can probably see there. And something quite important is that if it is mounted up to 3 meters mountain height, it can even detect minor motion in a 6-meter diameter. And when we're talking about minor motion, it's like typing on a keyboard or using a mouse. So this eliminates the problems of light switching over while someone is relatively stationary.